Let me just check whether recordings have started or not. Recording. Let me start the recording, right?
Sir, I have started.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Can you guys see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In today's session, guys, you can see here what are we going to discuss. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about Java collections framework. Believe me, guys, this is very important topic in Java. Actually, as I told you, every single topic that we've been discussing since very first day is important. But still, this topic is very important. Means most important topic. And during an interviews also, and while working also, you will get to know. You will use these concepts a lot while developing the project. And that's only the reason actually interviewer is interested more in just checking the knowledge with this particular. Okay. So I will tell you actually slowly, I will tell you every single thing. Don't worry at all. Okay. So for this thing, guys, so in Java, we have a collections topic. What is the name of that topic, guys? Collections. In Java, we have collections, and collections is the separate topic, guys, which is very important because this collection, it is also called as a framework in Java. Why it is called as framework in Java? You guys will realize it. Don't worry at all because it is very important topic, guys. So collection framework means, so it is not the single concept, guys. First of all, so if there is something called as collection, or sorry, something is called as framework, it means you are getting something ready-made. Always remember. Moving forward, we are going to learn, for example, Android Studio framework, Spring Boot framework. It means there we are going to get a couple of ready-made things. By using those ready-made things, we can achieve a lot. Okay. For example, let's say, for example, if you want to prepare a Maggie, what do you need to do, guys? Tell me. If you want to prepare a Maggie, so simply you will get a packet and easily you can make actually, even if you do not have anything. Even if you don't have anything, guys, okay, even if you don't have anything, still you can create, you can make the Maggie. Okay, please listen very carefully, guys. मॅगी कशी बनवू शकता तुम्ही? मॅगी सपोज तुमच्याकडे काही नाहीये, तरी पण तुम्ही फक्त मॅगी आहे अँड यू हॅव वॉटर मॅगी अँड टू बॉईल इट यू हॅव समथिंग, स्टिल यू विल बी एबल टू मेक द मॅगी. बट फॉर एक्झाम्पल मॅगी नाही, फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला चपाती बनवायची आहे अँड यू हॅव लेट्स से जस्ट गहू वगैरे आहेत तुमच्याकडे. You will have to take more efforts, guys. Am I right?
Yes,
Same
sir.
way, same way here we are having collection framework. And why do we have the collection framework? Does anybody know about Java array, guys? So I'm creating a separate package here. आता लक्ष द्या. While telling you about these things, slowly I may write code as well, guys, to make you understand. Okay. So I'm creating here a package called collections नाव देतो. म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल की collection related code we have kept inside collections package. Okay, so collections package is ready. And here I am going to create a class. And the name of my class I will give as array text. Okay, what is mean by array in Java, guys? Who will tell me what is mean by array in Java?
Array is a collection of.
Okay. Okay, somebody is trying to answer, but I think I'm not able to hear. So is the issue from my end, guys? Collection
Array is a collection of similar type of data.
Similar type of data element. Similar. खूप easy actually. Array you might know actually. That's why we haven't discussed much about array. But why am I telling about array here? Because see, if I want to discuss about collections, then you will come to know there were few drawbacks in case of array. And that's the reason we are discussing about array list collections framework here. Okay. Array list was the class actually. So that's why by mistakenly I just said collection of similar type of data elements is nothing but the array. Okay. खूप important topic आहे. मस्त examples पाहू आपण guys. Even you guys will feel we are seeing some real time examples. That's what also I will take care of. Okay. And what is the meaning of collections, guys? Collections ची काय definitions आहे? Collections. So collection is again, collection is what? It is a framework in Java. It is what? It is framework in Java that provides classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces. Why it gives us the classes and interfaces, guys? What does this framework do? Simple. To store, organize. Again, I will tell you in my own language, guys. And here I will try to tell you the concept in most easiest way. Okay. This definition that again you might not get in any books or any website, but still you need to understand this concept because even if you write the same definition as it is in exams, still you will get 100% marks. This is not wrong definition, just to understand better. This definition is there. Okay. Collections काय आहे? It is the framework in Java. काय आहे ते framework मध्ये? It provides classes and interface to store, organize, and manipulate group of objects efficiently. So some people will directly say the collection is nothing but the group of object. Some people directly would say the collection is a group of objects, but you would need to say collections. It is a framework in Java that provides the classes and interfaces to store, organize, and manipulate group of objects efficiently. Okay. So how the collection, for example, let's say, can I create array of students, guys? Tell me. Let's say if I want to create an array. Array जर मला create करायचं असेल, can I create an array of integer? Tell me.
Yes.
Can I create array of integer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
create array of string?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
I create array of double?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. पण मी असा
Yes,
array
sir.
बनवू शकतो. Can I create array, guys? Like the array will have all these three things. Int पण असेल, string पण असेल, and double also will be there. Can I create array like this, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is not allowed in Java. Okay. So this is allowed in Java, but this is not allowed in Java. Let's say, for example, there is one more thing about array, guys, which I want to tell you deliberately here. Array is having fixed size, correct? Array is having what? Fixed size.
Fixed
Let's say we know actually, for example, we know we are having 100 students which are coming offline, which are going to come for an offline session. Then we'll manage a hall, guys, for probably 110 students, 120 students, correct? But let's say in real time scenario as well, guys, if suddenly, for example, 200 student came, then how will we manage, guys? Means array. While declaring an array, guys, that you must know, we need to provide the size in advance. Am I right? To declare the array, we need to provide size in advance. Have you worked with Java array or any kind of array? तुम्हाला जर array declare जरी करायचा असेल ना, so you need to give the size in array. But consider a scenario, guys. अचानक 200 जरी students आले आणि 1000 जरी students आले. What if your hall is growable? If your hall is means resizable? किती चांगलं असेल ते, correct? So this collections provides the features like that. So collection is a framework which is going to provide us the classes and interfaces. By using we can store the objects, we can organize it, we can manipulate them as well. And it is very efficiently, guys. Very, very efficiently, because Java people have written. See, actually, I want to tell you one more thing, guys. Collections is the concept which was not there initially when Java launched. Java's first version was there. This collections was not there. So Java collections introduced in Java 1.1 or 1.2 version something. I will check, guys, and I will show you that. But I just want to tell you, initially this particular collections framework was not there. And Java developer was facing issues actually to organize, store, and manipulate objects efficiently. That's why collections framework came into picture. The entire collection framework is the big framework, guys. It is very nice framework through which you can deal with the real-time objects. You can store the objects. You can manipulate those objects. You can perform the various operation on those objects. And I will show you that. How can we do that? I will show you. Don't worry at all. Just to show you the limitations of array that I have written this class. But anyways, actually, we are not going to write the code of array. But before introducing this, there is something. See, actually, this is the Java collection hierarchy. का हायरार्की का जावा कलेक्शन एकटा नाहीये ऍक्च्युली. जावा कलेक्शन इज व्हॉट? जावा कलेक्शन इज द collection is what, guys? It is the collection of classes and interfaces. आणि इथं clear लिहिले. Just see. Java collection is the group of classes and interfaces. आणि हे collection काय आहे इथं बघा, इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. This collection is an interface. This list is an interface. Array list, linked list is a classes. Hash set, preset are the classes. Priority queue, array dequeue. It is called as array deck actually. Okay, array deck is the class. And here queue is an interface, set is an interface, list is an interface. Map again is an interface. These are the implementation classes, tree map and hash map. These are very important concepts, guys. Once I'll start writing code, you guys will realize it, okay? Because here we are going to play with the real-time object. Okay, I'll show you how to play with the real-time objects by using these particular collection concepts. Okay, are you guys excited to learn this? Tell me, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, believe me, it is very important. And
Yes,
one more thing I want to tell you here. Even if you want to learn in future, for example, if you want to learn Python or Java or any other language, still this knowledge will help you a lot. I'm repeating again. This knowledge is going to help you in any technology, especially in collection is everywhere actually. Collection is everywhere. This knowledge is going to help you guys. So 70% of the concept will be same. You guys, if you learn this collection carefully here, you will learn it anywhere. Okay. Inside your JavaScript also there must be list, set, queue. Okay. So there also it will be beneficial for you to learn this. Okay. So without wasting our time, guys, we should start discussing about it. Okay. So why do we need collection, guys? For example, if I will have a single data, for example, मला एकच book ची information store करायची आहे, for example. Do I need collection? No. Simply I will create integer book ID, एकच variable use करेल, it will work for me. For example, I will create string book name, I'll create only one variable, it will work for me. But collection is something which will help me store the multiple collection of books. Collection of books that I can store by using collection. How can we do it? I will show you, don't worry. फक्त theory समजून घ्या आतापर्यंत की काय काय करतोय. Okay. And what are the importances of collections that I will quickly let me write here. For example, here I will create a class collection test and I will write the notes here so that you guys will get these notes. Okay. So what is the importance of collection, guys? Collection we can achieve. Collection is a dynamic in size. Dynamic in size means what? It is resizable. म्हणजे based on the requirement, if it is resizing, guys, then how big advantage it is? Are you guys getting this? Tell me. Okay. And here,
Yes, sir.
do we write your own algorithms, guys? No. As I told you, if there is something called as framework, means you are getting something automatic, means ready-made. Ready-made you guys are going to get. So what is the thing that you guys are getting ready-made here? So you are getting the ready-made written algorithms. Okay, for example, मला जर array मध्ये, for example, if in array only, if I need to reverse the array, I need to write my own logic. If I need to sort the array, I need to write my own logic. But here in collection, I will get the ready-made algorithms. And we just need to check how can I use those ready-made algorithms, guys. This is that much fantastic it is, okay? And ready-made written algorithms, ready-made written efficient algorithms. Efficient म्हणजे जो अल्गोरिदम आपण स्वतः लिहिणार आहे त्यापेक्षा हा फास्टच असणार आहे बिकॉज द मोस्ट fastest algorithms, most efficient algorithms with better performance that they have written here. Okay. If you are using collections, then it would be the easy search and sorting operations. Are you guys getting this? By using collections, we are going to achieve the type safety as well. How? I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. How? I will show you. Don't worry at all. So array is, this collections is used everywhere, guys. Without using this collection, at least our project is never going to complete. Okay. So this collection is going to provide very, very important role. So what are the common collection classes are available there? Simple. हे चार नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा. नेहमी. कोणते चार? So there is first one is the list. These are all the interfaces, guys. Okay. List, always remember, always set, Okay, there is cube and map. Okay, always remember these 4 things. आणि त्याच्यानंतर बाकीचं तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायची गरज नाहीये. You guys will understand it. You guys will realize it, how to work with it. But so far, at least you must have got कि without collections, there is something, guys, which is not achievable easily. That's why we are using collection. Okay, shall I move ahead, guys, and shall I show you some examples?
Yes,
Tell me.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here, see, actually, before telling about collection directly, I want to introduce you something about wrapper classes. You guys know about wrapper classes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, so what
Yes,
is the
sir.
wrapper class? Wrapper class का असतो, guys? So, see, for example, if you are having a primitive data types like this, these are the primitive data types, right? Integer, char, float, okay, double, okay. For these primitive data types, we are having the equivalent classes, guys.
Yes,
And
sir.
these classes are the wrapper classes. Okay, this char or character wrapper classes. Okay, why wrapper classes are there? Because to work with the collection works with the object, guys. समजताय? रॅपर म्हणजे काय आहे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यालाच क्लासचा एक रॅप दिलाय आणि याला आपण रॅपर क्लास बनवलाय. ओके, इंटरनली
Integers, character, float.
yes, integer, character, float, double, like this, all the wrapper classes are available for us, guys. Simple. Wrapper classes also does the same thing. Wrapper class is the class actually that is going to convert primitive data type of, into an object. Simple thing आहे. लक्षात ठेवा. Collectionsला काय पाहिजे? Collections requires an object. Okay, and earlier we had only these primitive data types. In fact, wrapper classes are also introduced since Java 5 version. I think I need to check. Okay, but since I'm sure about it. Okay, let me just check. Wrapper classes must have been introduced since Java 5 version, guys. Because see, every version that they start. Can you guys see here? Oh, since 1.0, this integer class is there. Okay, let me just check, guys. Okay, there is integer class is there. Wrapper class. Okay, since 1.0. Okay, I need to check it. I will tell you. But एवढं लक्षात ठेवा की wrapper class is what? Wrapper class is the same concept. Because Java collections requires an object, and
Hello?
these things. Yes. Hello. Is someone saying something, guys? Wrapper classes. Do you guys know wrapper classes? Let's say if there is an integer is the wrapper class is available. For char, there is a character wrapper class is available. For boolean, there is a boolean wrapper class is available. हे जे फक्त data type होते primitive, but these are the objects. These are the classes actually. So these classes, guys, where can we use? You guys will later realize it. But wrapper class काय आहे समजलं? Actually, collections works with only objects. Collections works with only objects. That's why, guys, we are having wrapper classes as well. Wrapper classes just similar to these primitive data types. And so working same असणार आहे. Working same असणार आहे. जो integer करणार आहे तो, that work only the integer does. In fact, more than integer, that integer will do. Yeah, integer पेक्षा advance आहे हा integer. Okay? Are you guys getting this? Tell me. Are you
Yes.
guys getting this? Okay, so what is the need of? So wrapper classes काय करतात? Wrapper classes, लक्ष द्या परत. I'm revising it again. Wrapper classes converts your primitive data type into object. Okay? And why do we need to convert it into primitive data type into object? Because collections works with object only. Are you guys getting this? Collections works with only this object, guys. That's why wrapper class आपल्याला लागतो. Wrapper class belongs to java.lang package. Okay, so जसं जसं आपण पुढे जाऊ डिस्कस करत करत तसं तसं तुम्हाला समजेल. For example, here I'm creating a main method. For example, I'm creating a main method here and we'll start writing code now. Because we've had the enough introduction about these things. These are important things, guys. I will cover in detail. Don't worry at all. I just need the patience and enough time from your end. Let's say if I'll write the integer a equal to 10, and here we are having the wrapper class, guys. What wrapper class we are having here? Simply, for example, by using the wrapper class, if I'll write here like this, integer number equal to new integer. So here 10's value is same. 10 ची value change होणार आहे का इथं? Tell me, guys. So this integer a equal to 10, initializing your integer variable by using primitive data type. But here, initializing your integer variable by using wrapper classes. Are you guys getting this? Wrapper class एवढाच आहे, सिंपल कन्सेप्ट आहे गाइस. जे तुमचे प्रिमिटिव्ह डेटा टाइप होते ना, त्यांचं इक्विव्हॅलेंट क्लास बनलेला आहे. These things are called as wrapper classes. कोणाला डाऊट आहे का wrapper classes बद्दल? Ask me, guys. We'll quickly move ahead if you do not have any doubt. Okay? If you guys do not have any doubt, then we'll quickly move, guys, ahead. Okay? And I want to introduce you to two more concepts here. Okay, I will simply remove this. I want to tell you about two things here. एक असतो auto boxing. Remember these things, guys, because these things are important. Okay? आणि एक असतो unboxing. What is the meaning of auto boxing, guys? Who will tell me? What is the meaning of auto boxing? Auto boxing means automatically converting primitive value into its wrapper object. खूप इझी आहे, लक्ष द्या. ऑटो बॉक्सिंगचा मीनिंग काय आहे? जस्ट सी, कन्वर्टिंग प्रिमिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू इनटू रॅपर ऑब्जेक्ट. म्हणजे काय आहे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ आय विल राईट लाईक दिस integer number equal to 100. What is this, guys? To this object, I am assigning a value directly here. What am I doing? Tell me. See, what am I doing? Very easy concept, guys. What am I doing? ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ना, ही जी व्हॅल्यू डायरेक्टली मी असाइन करतोय. आणि हीच असाइन करतोय म्हणजे काय करतोय? प्रिमिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू automatically it is getting converted into a wrapper object, and this is called as auto boxing. आणि इंटरनली काय होतंय गाइस? हे जर मला कन्वर्ट करायचं असतं मॅन्युअली, ओके, फक्त जर बॉक्सिंग जर दाखवायची असते मला तुम्हाला बॉक्सिंग, तर इंटरनली इट हॅपन्स लाईक दिस. लक्ष द्या, आय एम कमेंटिंग दिस जस्ट टू शो यू इन नोट्स. इंटीजर नंबर इक्वल टू इंटीजर dot value of, okay, I will write it first and then comment because it will give me the auto completion support. Integer number equal to integer dot value of is the method, and त्याच्यामध्ये value पाठवायची, and this is called as your boxing, guys. So this is the manual boxing. Are you guys understanding it? ही जी primitive value आहे, which I am converting into wrapper object manually. This is the boxing. But the same thing is happening automatically. This is unboxing. How easy it is, guys? There is nothing more than this. आता unboxing काय असणार आहे? Who will tell me, guys, quickly? Automatically, tell me, converting a wrapper object into primitive. It is easy, guys. Okay, you need to answer me. It is very easy. Okay, and here, how can we do that? How can we do that, guys? Unboxing कसं करू शकतो आपण? Let's say integer id equal to, for example, 200 is the id, and that we know this is the auto boxing. But here there is one value, guys. Value is the primitive variable, आणि मी काय करतोय? या primitive variable ला wrapper value assign करतोय. समजतंय? What am I doing, guys, here?
Yes,
And internally what is happening? Just try to use some sense, guys. Okay, it is easy. internally it is happening like this. Integer value equal to id dot int value. Like this, it is the conversion is happening. समजतंय तुम्हाला? So conversion from wrapper object to primitive data type. Okay, who is making noise, guys? Okay, fine. So I hope the idea is clear now. फक्त हे कशासाठी just you need to know, guys, these things: auto boxing, unboxing, wrapper classes. Because moving ahead, guys, we are going to use these things a lot, and at that time we will not discuss these things again and again. Realized why the collection framework is important, guys, because it is growable in nature and it provides a ready-made written efficient algorithms as well, and it is very easy to search and sorting to perform the sorting operations. Provides us the type safety as well. Yes, and these are the things: auto boxing and unboxing. Auto boxing means what? Auto boxing means converting your primitive value automatically into wrapper object like this. Okay, internally these things happens internally, and here this thing happens internally. Okay, and here internally this thing happens there. That's why it is called as auto boxing and unboxing. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. Shall we move ahead, guys? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Shall we? Because see, this auto boxing, unboxing directly आपलं कुठं यूज होणार आहे मी परत एकदा दाखवणार आहे तुम्हाला. When I write the code, and that's why I already written it. त्याच्यासाठी मी आधीच लिहिलंय ते, because it is very important, guys. Okay, so shall we move ahead, guys? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So here, I'm going to write one code for one concept we are going to learn here. Who will tell me what is generics in Java? Who will tell me what is generics in Java, guys? Anyone? Anyone wants to try? Anybody, guys, wants to try what is generics in Java? Generics ऐकलंय का कधी?
No, sir.
Okay, so collections. Have you guys learned collections? Tell me, collections शिकलेत का तुम्ही? Everyone, please try to respond.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Collections शिकलेत का core Java मध्ये?
नाही. No, sir.
No, sir.
तुम्हाला Java होतं ना collections? At least you heard about collections? Everyone?
Sir, वाडिया कॉलेजमध्ये जावा शिकवलंच नाही.
अच्छा कोणाला तरी नव्हता जावा सब्जेक्ट, बरोबर? पण ज्यांना शिकवलंय त्यांनी कलेक्शन शिकले का त्यांनी?
सर ॲरे आणि वेक्टर होतं.
No, sir. Array and vector होते फक्त.
फक्त?
हो सर.
Yeah, actually the array and vector is outdated actually. That's why only the collection came into picture. Array and vector is outdated actually. For example, if I'll write one thing here, list जो आहे ना आपला list. If I'll open the list, I will show you. So it is introduced in Java 1.2 version. Are you guys getting this? Just see, it is introduced in Java 1.2 version. But if you'll ask me about array and vector, vector was there, guys. Actually, vector was there. Okay, opening this vector. Sorry, open one. Okay, let me just open the vector. Okay, let me import the class first so that it will let me open it. Okay, see, vector was there since Java introduced. Are you guys getting this? Vector आधीपासून आहे, पण list का आली मग? Okay, but anyway, just try to understand. Listen very carefully now. Now, actually, we have started discussing about the generics. Generics, I will tell you first, so that moving ahead, guys, you will not face any difficulties. If I start writing code about our collections. लक्ष द्या. For example, आपल्याकडे एक क्लास आहे counselor. लक्ष द्या, हे खूप important आहे तुमच्यासाठी. And we are having string counselor ID. Okay, what variable we are having, guys? We have a class counselor आणि we are having counselor चं काय आहे property? A counselor ID. So can I create a constructor, guys? Because constructor is used to initialize the instance variables at the time of object creation. So I will create a constructor. Constructor create केला म्हणजे काय होणार आहे, while creating an object of this constructor मी constructorची ID पास करू शकतो इथे. समजतंय everybody? Now tell me, इथे लक्ष द्या. आता खूप लक्ष द्या. There is something interesting that you guys are going to learn. Counselor equal to new counselor. And here, see, at the time of object creation only, if I'll pass the value, guys, of the counselor, the value will be created. Are you guys getting this? So, for example, otherwise, what will I do here? Okay, if I want to print the value, I can do that as well. System.out.println. Otherwise, there only will. Okay, we'll check, guys. So here I am passing the counselor ID. So counselor is expecting ID in which format, guys? Tell me. कोणता data type? कोणता data type? कोणता data type? Tell me quickly.
String format.
Okay, so I am
String.
passing the ID of the counselor. Let's say C and त्याची ID C पासून start होती consider, and the ID I am giving as a 101. Okay, and if I'll write in double quote, guys, it will be considered as a string. Okay, let's say I want to create one more counselor object. आणि इथं मी C102 पण करू शकतो create. This is counselor 1. This is counselor 2. आता लक्ष द्या. I am creating a counselor ID. And this time, while creating counselor ID, guys, I am doing one thing here. मी counselor बनवतोय, but I am passing the value in a different format. Let's say, इथं मी, for example, या counselorची ID मी अशी देतोय 1001. Okay, so is this allowed, guys? Tell me.
No, sir.
See, first of all, guys, I will try to tell you the problem statement. I will show you the problem without generics. And then you guys will realize why the generics exist, and that's the power of generics. आता मला सांगा, सिंपल, काउन्सलरची आयडी फक्त स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मॅट मध्येच घेऊ शकत होता, पण आता आपल्याला एक चेंज करायचा आहे. काउन्सलरची आयडी कधी कधी इंटिजर वाली पण असू शकते. मग काय करणार आहे आपण, काय करायला लागेल? टेल मी गाईज, व्हॉट डू वी नीड टू डू हिअर? फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला काय करायला लागेल? आपल्याला फॉर एक्झाम्पल हा असं बनवायला लागेल. लक्ष द्या, आता आपण स्ट्रिंग काउन्सलर बनवला, याला कॉपी केलं, पेस्ट केलं, इथं पण पेस्ट केलं, एक स्ट्रिंगचा सेपरेट काउन्सलर बनवलं मी. लक्ष द्या, प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट बघा. देन यू गाइज विल रिअलाइज इट. मी एक स्ट्रिंगचा सेपरेट काउन्सलर बनवला. इन द सेम वे आय विल क्रिएट अ सेपरेट काउन्सलर फॉर इंटिजर. इंटिजरचा सेपरेट काउन्सलर बनवलाय मी. I paste it here. This is an integer, and I'm going to copy this. I'm gonna paste it here. लक्ष द्या, for integer I have created a separate counselor here. Can I save the integer value like this? Integer counselor असं सेव्ह करू शकतो मी नंतर. लक्ष द्या. This thing. Can I create an object? चला ठीक आहे, हे पण आपण केलं. Okay, लक्ष द्या. This thing also we have done. Counselor 3 and 4 we have created, and त्यांची आयडी काय केली आपण? 1001, 1002 पण दिली. Okay, are you guys there with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
आता in
Yes.
future we have got one more requirement. आता काउन्सलरची आयडी असं पण द्यायची रिक्वायरमेंट आली आपल्याकडे, की काउन्सलरची आयडी फॉर एक्झाम्पल पॉइंट मध्ये असणार आहे. लेट्स से 10.101. आता हा तर इंटिजर वाला काउन्सलर आहे, तो देऊ शकतो का अशी आयडी? टेल मी. मग आता मला काय करायला लागेल? सेम लाईक दिस, आय वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट वन मोर काउन्सलर, गाइस, and this counselor would be double counselor. Are you guys getting this, everyone? Please try to understand. This is double counselor. इथं गेलो मी, double counselor दिलं, आणि इथं this ID is the double ID this time. Control C, Control V. And now can you guys see here? This double value is also accepted here, and I can create any number of counselors with double type of data as well. Can anyone tell me what is wrong with this code? Just I'm just getting a water, guys. Just think करा तोपर्यंत आणि सांगा मला.
डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमन दिला.
Tell me. Okay, what is happening here, guys? What is happening here? What is the problem we are facing? Anyone? Okay, Apurva, Arya, Saili, Amog. You want to try, guys? काय प्रॉब्लेम दिसतोय ते सरळ सरळ दिसतंय ना काय प्रॉब्लेम वी आर फेसिंग.
सर डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमनच दिलं.
कुठे?
ते का काउन्सिलरच्या इकडं आपण वरती पण डिक्लेअर केलं होतं ना, म्हणजे स्ट्रिंगच्या इथे काउन्सिलर घेतलेलं ना,
हा
पण त्याला सेपरेट घेतलं तर खाली पण सेम तसंच यायला पाहिजे आय थिंक.
नाही नाही ऍक्च्युली सी 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 इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टँडिंग. आपण काय पाहतोय? सी डबल कॉमा जर घेतला हे काय म्हणतात त्याला डबल कोट जर घेतलं तर तो इंटिजर नसणार आहे ना, तो स्ट्रिंग होईल. बट वी नीड इंटिजर टाइप ऑफ डेटा. आर यू गाइस गेटिंग इट? हु विल टेल मी गाइस? कोणालाच नाही समजत आहे का हे काय काय म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे
सर हॅलो.
ते? येस
प्रत्येक टाईपच्या काउन्सिलरसाठी आपल्याला प्रत्येक वेगळा क्लास क्रिएट करावा लागतो.
येस येस दॅट्स द रिअल प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल उद्या चलून समजा अजून एकदा आयडी असतं कोणता तरी काउन्सिलरचा वेगळ्या टाईपचा कॅरेक्टर आयडी असता कोणाचा, तर कॅरेक्टरसाठी एक सेपरेट क्लास. समजतंय तुम्हाला? फॉर एक्झाम्पल जसा ॲरे इंटिजरचा सेपरेट ॲरे बनवायला लागतो, फ्लोटचा सेपरेट बनवायला लागतो. बट हिअर इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट, राईट? लो स्टॅम्प्स टू राईट. ओके, हिअर इट इज नॉट लाईक दॅट गाईज. जेनेरिक्स आलंच त्याच्यासाठी ना, लक्ष द्या. आता सपोज मला कॅरेक्टरचा बनवायला लागला असतं तर कॅरेक्टरसाठी अजून एक क्लास घेतला असता मी. आर यू गाइज गेटिंग दिस? कॅरेक्टर काउन्सलर फॉर एक्झाम्पल. अजून कोणता बुलियन वाला काउन्सलर असता टाईपचा, तर म्हणजे जेवढ्या टाईपचे काउन्सलर आयडी मला घ्यायचे तेवढ्या टाईप मध्ये मला काय करायला लागलं असतं गाईज? टेल मी. तेवढे क्लासेस मला क्रिएट करायला लागले असते. दिस वुड बी व्हेरी हेक्टिक. ओके, why do I need to do this, guys, again and again? Okay, in fact, if you'll observe, guys, the same functionality that I've been writing, but here something is mess up here, and that's why I'm not able to achieve my functionality here. So instead of creating separate string counselor, integer counselor, double counselor, do we have something, guys, that we can use and we can instead of writing separate 100 classes, 50 classes, can't we write a single class and achieve the same functionality? Tell me. Can't we write the same thing? Okay, I will do one more thing here to print, guys. Okay, I will this counselor I will print and I'll show you as well the value, guys. Otherwise, no need to show because here understanding the concept is most important. Okay, observe very carefully now. Instead of creating this separate counselors like this, me a comment karta and I will keep it here only for you guys. I have just commented this code. In fact, this code also I'm commenting, guys, because this is useless code. Okay, we should never done like this. We should never do like this. So instead, I am creating a class counselor. लक्ष द्या. Here, इथे जर मी string typeचा डेटा दिला, for example, counselor ID. लक्ष द्या. This is very important now. Now you need to understand at least constructor हे okay. इथे जर मी string दिला, guys, तर it will expect only which kind of data? Tell me. इथे जर मी स्ट्रिंग दिला तर कोणत्या टाईपचा डेटा एक्सपेक्ट करेल? फक्त स्ट्रिंग. इथे जर मी इंटिजर दिलं तर फक्त कोणता एक्सपेक्ट करेल तो?
इंटिजर.
तिथे जर फक्त फ्लोट दिला तर कोणतं एक्सपेक्ट करेल तो?
डेसिमल.
फ्लोट.
मग आपल्याला काय करायचं? यालाच डायनामिक बनवायचंय. हा जो आयडी आहे टू दिस थिंग आय वॉन्ट टू मेक इट डायनामिक. कसं करायचं डायनामिक? सो राईट एनी कॅपिटल लेटर हियर. राईट एनी कॅपिटल लेटर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी इथे टी लिहिलंय, तुम्हाला ई लिहायचं ई लिहा, ए लिहायचं ए लिहा, बट द स्टँडर्ड इज टी अँड ई इज युज. आता इथं मी स्ट्रिंग काउन्सलर आयडी न लिहिता टी लिहिला. सेम टी इथं पण मेथड स्ट्रिंग रिटर्न टाइप एक्सपेक्ट करण्याऐवजी काय करणार आहे? टी एक्सपेक्ट करते. अँड हिअर देर इज वन मोर थिंग. इथे एकदा दिस opening and closing bracket, T you need to write. आणि लक्ष द्या इथं. Just see. I am creating counselor this time. Counselor equal to new counselor. And here I am passing the value, let's say, string ची value pass करतो मी first time. C101. Is it expecting, guys? Is it accepting? Is it giving any issue? Is it giving any error, guys? Tell me.
No.
No,
Iथं
sir.
मी
No.
one more counselor I am adding. Is it giving me any error? आता वेगळा integer वाला counselor add करून दाखवतो तुम्हाला. Wait. इथं मी double quote मध्ये न लिहिता 1001 I am writing directly. Is it giving me any error? Am I writing separate class, guys? Tell me.
No.
No,
Am I
sir.
writing separate class here? No.
No, sir.
Again,
No.
I am copying this. Again, I am pasting it. This time, counselor 4 would be the double type of counselor. 10.101. Is it giving me any issue, guys? Tell me.
No, sir.
No.
And here, why it is
Okay.
giving me the warning, guys? Here it is telling me use the generics. Tell us कोणत्या typeचं counselor आहे. Just see. And here I am telling this is the string type of counselor ID. This both string type of counselor IDs are there. And this write things are optional, guys. इथं Java 8 पासून optional झालंय. इथं पण असं एक sign द्यायला लागतं. Later in collection directly, if you'll see this thing, guys, you would have got confused. Okay. And here, for example, here also you need to write an integer. आता wrapper classes का आले? इथं जर मी int लिहिलं तर त्याला चालतं का? नाही चालत. It requires an object here. So I'm passing the int. It requires it deals with the object only, guys. And here again, are you guys getting this? This is the power of generics. Instead of writing, we can have any type of data, guys, by using generics. I think this time generic, what the generic is doing, guys, इथं काय issue येतोय? Integer नाहीये, double आहे.
Double is, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, it is double type of data. Okay, so what is generics, guys? Generics allows us to specify what type of object can be stored. Just see. Here we are storing the string type of object. Here we are storing an integer type of. Here we are storing the double type of. We could easily achieve this functionality, guys, by writing the generics here. जो return type होता त्यालाच आपण काय केलं? Dynamic बनवलं. इथं पण integer instead of expecting only string, आपण त्याला t लिहिलं. T लिहिलं आणि इथून we pass that string we are passing, and like that we achieve this functionality, guys. It is very easy, guys. That they provide the compile time type safety as well. For example, मी जर बघा इथं स्ट्रिंगचा जर बनवला counselor, if I'll try to create a string type of counselor, and if I'll try to add a value, guys, which is integer, let's say 103. 5 नंबरचा counselor जर मी ट्राय केला, स्ट्रिंगचा बनवतोय पण इथं, so it is letting me know, guys, the compile time safety, type safety. Did you guys understand what the type safety is? तो म्हणतोय की string typeचा counselor आहे हा. ओके, एक तर याला इंटिजर बनवून इंटिजर ठेवा, नाहीतर स्ट्रिंग आहे तर स्ट्रिंगच व्हॅल्यू इन्सर्ट करा. जस्ट सी, required string type of counselor but provided integer type of counselor. Are you guys getting this? And this way it provides the not allowed. It provides what? Compile time. It is called as type safety, guys. What it is called? Type safety. कोणाला डाऊट आहे आता जेनेरिक्स मध्ये? सिंपल जेनेरिक्स आय टोल्ड यू इन मोस्ट इझिएस्ट वे, गाईज. इथे एकापेक्षा जास्त पण पॅरामीटर असू शकतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टी आणि लेट्स से दुसरा पॅरामीटर आहे पी. ओके, अँड हिअर वी कॅन हॅव वन मोर पॅरामीटर, लेट्स से पी अँड नेम. So we can have like this as well, but here we need to pass 2 parameters. For example, so this name again could be any type of parameter like this, and here we need to pass one more value actually, as there are 2 values the constructor is expecting. But तेवढं मी complex नाही बनवते आता. Just to tell you actually असं पण असतं. I told you quickly that. Okay, got it? So later, for example, while introducing you about array list, जर मी असं ओपन केलं तर असं दिसलं तुम्हाला हे array list. Let me just import the class first so that it will allow me to open. इथं हे जे दिसतंय what it is, आता समजलं का काय आहे? Are you guys getting this? What it is? This is the generics, guys, okay? Because it is there to allow us to specify what type of object that we are going to work with, and it provides us the compile time, type safety as well. Are you guys getting this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so generic समजलं तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना आता?
Yes,
So
sir.
why do we use generics, guys? Generics provides us the type safety, no explicit typecasting, okay, and very few runtime errors that we can get. And code also, guys, better readability and code. We are using the code as well, right? Code reuse कसा करतोय दाखवलं ना मी तुम्हाला. हे बघा, 3 क्लासेस सारखे आपल्याला 100 पण क्लासेस लिहायला लागले असते. But what we have done, we have reused the code. आता मी जर कोड रियुजेबिलिटी सांगितलं असतं विदाउट शोईंग दिस, यू वुड नॉट हॅव अंडरस्टूड दॅट पर्टिक्युलर यूज, राईट? पण आता समजलं, रिडॅबिलिटी पण बेटर आहे ना? टेल मी एव्हरीवन.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In fact, see, actually we can have one. Akshara, please mute yourself, guys. Okay, don't do that. एक generic method पण असते. Actually, I'm telling you guys these things because you guys are understanding it now, right? So that's why I will go in depth. तेवढं जरी माहिती असलं तरी इनफ आहे. इथनं पुढे समजा कोणाला नाही समजलं तर काय टेन्शन वगैरे नका घेऊ. ओके, आय एम सेम जसं जेनरिक एक क्लास बनवला मी काउन्सलर, the same way I can create a generic method as well. How can I create the generic method? For example, public static void print data is the method. What is the name of this method? Print data. Let's say string type of parameter it is expecting from me. आता मला सांगा, जर मी स्ट्रिंग टाइपचा पॅरामीटर पाठवला तर तो स्ट्रिंगच प्रिंट करेल ना इथं? इंटिजर घेईल का? टेल मी क्विकली गाइज. विल इट एक्सपेक्ट द इंटिजर? एरर देईल ना क्विकली?
Yes, sir.
तर आता या स्ट्रिंगलाच मी काय करणार?
Yes.
टी केला. आता समजलं तुम्हाला? आता या टीच्या जागेत मी काही पण पाठवेल. आता या टीला इथं तुम्हाला इथं काय करायचंय? You need to write like this, write like this. So this method has become the generic method now. Now observe very carefully, guys. हे मी परत आता हे बघा, generic method test, generic method test, generic method test equal to new generic method test, because sorry, this is not an, sorry guys, sorry, this is static method. आपण सिम्पली असं पण कॉल करू शकतो त्याला, generic method test dot print data. आणि इथं मी डेटा फॉर एक्झाम्पल कोणत्या पण टाईपचा पाठवू द्या, तो घेतोय. लक्ष द्या, हे बघा, जेनरिक मेथड टेस्ट डॉट प्रिंट डेटा. त्याला मी कोणत्या पण टाईपचा डेटा पाठवू द्या. इट इज ऍक्सेप्टिंग दॅट टाइप ऑफ डेटा. अँड हिअर नो नीड टू इवन टेल अस गाइज की हा इंटिजर टाईपचा डेटा आहे का, हॅलो स्ट्रिंग टाईपचा डेटा आहे. नॉट इवन नीड टू टेल हिअर. आणि इथं जर मी कोड एक्झिक्यूट केला ना हा, तर बघा आता 100 अँड हॅलो विल बी प्रिंटेड, बिकॉज आपण इथं प्रिंट करतोय त्याला. Are you guys getting it? Generic method पण बनवू शकतो आपण, and generic class also we can create it. समजतंय?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So इथं generic method also we can create. But actually see, असं हे TP काय लिहिण्यापेक्षा ना, there are some standards that those people have given us. कोणते काय स्टँडर्ड दिले त्यांनी? फॉर एक्झाम्पल टी कधी यूज करायचा? लेट्स से हे मॅन्डेटरी आहे का? नाही, पण रिकमेंडेशन आहे. समजतंय? म्हणजे काय? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, is it mandatory to come by wearing shoes? For example, if you have joined some academy, तिथे सांगतात ना की शूजच घालून यायचा. पण शूज न घालून गेलं तरी चालता पण येतं, पळता पण येतं, राईट? बट इट इज रिकमेंडेशन टू मेंटेन द डिसिप्लिन, ओके, अँड टू बी विथ एव्हरीवन गाईज, यू नीड टू फॉलो सम स्टँडर्ड्स, राईट? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता पीएमटीने कोण कोण ट्रॅव्हलिंग करतं तुमच्यामधलं? Element key, and this is for key, guys, and you can use these things, okay? काही पण यूज करण्यापेक्षा ना, use these things, guys, okay? So this key is nothing but that, but okay, I will comment this part, okay? So I will share these notes also with you guys, the code also. So now tell me, जसा आपण generic class create करू शकतो, can I create a generic method as well? Tell me,
Yes.
guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear with everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
आता हे
sir.
पण समजलं. थोडं ऍडव्हान्स मध्ये जायचं अजून. थोडं ऍडव्हान्स मध्ये जायचं गाईस. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लक्ष द्या. आता जसं हा जो काउन्सलर आहे ना, काउन्सलर, लक्ष द्या बरं का. त्या काउन्सलरला काही पण द्या, काही पण. इट इज स्टील एक्सपेक्टिंग गाईस. जस्ट स्ट्रिंग द्या चालतोय, इंटिजर द्या, डबल द्या, काही पण द्या, काही पण. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथं मी एक क्लास बनवतोय स्टुडंट, आणि या काउन्सलरला आहे ना मी, फॉर एक्झाम्पल वाईल क्रिएटिंग अ काउन्सलर हे कॉपी करतो मी, लक्ष द्या. वाईल क्रिएटिंग काउन्सलर पेस्ट, आणि त्या स्टुडंटचं काय करू आपण, एक मिनिट. इंटिजर आयडी स्ट्रिंग नेम. जस्ट ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट आय एम टेलिंग यू हिअर. इथं मी काय करतोय, कन्स्ट्रक्टर बनवतो, जनरेट constructor by using both these values. Okay, save, go here, collection, as for example, counselor 6, आणि इथं त्याला मी आहे ना यावेळेस स्टुडंट पण पाठवतोय, लक्ष द्या. न्यू स्टुडंट इज एक्सपेक्टिंग ID and name. For example, some name is there. Let me check, कोणाचं तरी नाव टाकूया आपण इथं. Okay, I can see Yash or Arya. I will enter the Arya's name here. Now tell me guys, हा जो काउन्सलर आहे ना, याला स्टुडंट पण चालतोय, लक्ष द्या. म्हणजे काय होतंय, लक्ष, इफ यू ऑब्झर्व केअरफुली गाईज, हा एवढा जेनरिक झालाय ना की देर आर नो restrictions. Are you guys getting this? Literally, are there any restrictions guys? So याला काहीच restrictions नाहीयेत. To provide the restrictions guys, we have to provide the restrictions. We are having bounded generics. समजलं बाउंडेड जेनरिक्स काय आहे? आता काय काय आहे हे सांगितलं, काय असतं, कसं असतं ते दाखवतो. वेट. बाउंडेड जेनरिक्स काय आहे? समटाइम्स we want to restrict the types that can be used with generics. Are you guys getting this? Sometimes आपल्याला restriction पाठवायचे, ते कसं करतो आपण? Okay, so instead of expecting everything, instead of accepting everything, string सगळं accept करण्यापेक्षा, let's say आपण आपली अशी रिक्वायरमेंट आहे की फक्त नंबरच ऍक्सेप्ट करेल. हा, तर इथं आपण काय करेल, सिंपल, दिस इज अन इनहेरिटन्स गाइस. लेट्स से नंबर इज द पॅरेंट. लेट मी जस्ट चेक. नंबर हा क्लास आहे. नंबर इज द क्लास, अब्स्ट्रॅक्ट क्लास. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल फक्त नंबर म्हणल्यावरती लगेच काय झालं बघा, स्ट्रिंग वाल्याला लगेच त्याने इश्यू दिला. नंबर काउन्सलर आयडी एक तर फ्लोट असेल, डबल असेल, काही असेल, पण स्ट्रिंग नसणार आहे. Restrictions आले लगेच. So this thing is called as bounded generics. Okay, this thing is called as what guys? Bounded generics. Bounded. ते जरी हे नाही समजलं ना, डोंट वरी गाईस, फक्त हे ऍडिशनल नॉलेज आहे. बाउंडेड जेनरिक्स हे यूज वगैरे नाही करणार आहे आपण, आणि तसं पण कुठे यूज जर झालेलं दिसलं तर तुम्हाला लगेच समजेल. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथे कुठेतरी, हा, दिस इज वॉट, दिस इज द बाउंडेड जेनरिक्स. नाही, सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट बाउंडेड जेनरिक. I'm sorry guys, this is not bounded generics. This is just the E सेपरेट आहे बघा. तुम्ही आपण जे बाउंडेड जेनरिक्स लिहिलं होतं अँड E असा होता तिथं, ठीक आहे. सो इथं टी एक्सटेन्स नंबर म्हणजे काय, हा टाईप फक्त नंबरचाच असू शकतो, समजतंय? हिअर बाउंडेड जेनरिक्स we accept only number type of, we accept only what, number type of counselor ID. समजतंय guys, everyone?
Yes sir.
Are you guys understanding,
Yes, sir.
everyone? So
Yes
now
sir.
Yes.
So far what we have discussed so far guys. So what is the use of bounded generics? It is used to restrict allowed types only, and it is again going to improve the type safety. and it uses the extends keyword like this, okay? And it is commonly used in reusable libraries and APIs, guys, okay? Which we will see later in coming sessions. But what we have discussed so far, guys, tell me. So far we have discussed what is the importance of collections, what is collections. We have seen what are the wrapper classes. Also we have seen, guys, auto boxing, unboxing. We have seen generics classes. We have seen generics methods. We have seen bounded generics as well. Is this clear for everyone, guys? Tell me, is this clear for everyone? So
Yes,
here
sir.
we had this package,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
collections. मी कॉपी करतो कलेक्शन्स पॅकेजला आणि आपण आय थिंक इथं कुठेतरी रिसोर्सेस मध्ये बनवलेलं आहे ना ते. आय विल पुट इट हिअर. इथं राईट क्लिक करायचं, काय करायचं, ओपन गिट बॅश हिअर. हाऊ डू वी पुश द कोड, गाइस? हाऊ डू वी पुश द कोड? Let me check the status first. Okay, interesting. Every day we are going to do the same. काय झालंय, कलेक्शन नावाचा एक फोल्डर ऍड झाला. git add dot केलं तरी collections from working tree to staging area it will be git commit minus. And here collection we are going to discuss in detail, guys. Collections basics part 1. Okay, practice kara, guys. Read much more, read more and more. Let me check the branch, कारण branch मध्ये आपण इकडे तिकडे नसेल नाही गेलं पाहिजे. And git push. Okay, and you know the link. You know the link, guys. Everybody knows the link. GitHub. And this code will be pushed here. Am I facing any issue to push? Why it is taking time? Go here, go to repository. It is publicly repository is available. Private वगैरे नाही केलेली. इथे जावा. पुश झालेलं आहे बहुतेक. आणि इथं कलेक्शनचा जो आजचा कोड आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल जस्ट नाव इट इज pushed the code. Go to SRC collections and these are the generics वगैरे जो कोड लिहिला आहे ना, which is available here. Read more and more, guys, about this. Then only you will understand more about it. दुसरं कुठं काही कोड नाही लिहिलेला आपण. But anyway, in tomorrow's session, we are going to see it in detail. I'm going to stop sharing my screen, guys. Let me know if you faced any issue, anybody from you. सगळ्यांना समजलं ना काय आहे, काय काय पाहिलं आपण. कोड पण पुश केलेला आहे. You guys will get code on GitHub link. You know the link, right? सगळ्यांना समजलं. जय जगताप. ओके.
Yes, sir.
अक्षता, जानवी, everyone
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Okay. अपूर्वा, आर्या, समजलं? यश
Yes, sir.
लोकरे, समृद्धी.
हो सर.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
इन टुमॉरो सेशन आजचं जे रिवाइज करा सगळं आणि लिस्ट बद्दल थोडं रीड करा. लिस्ट ऍड अ लिस्ट. आपण एक दिवशी लिस्ट पाहू, एक दिवशी सेट पाहू, एक दिवशी क्यू पाहू. अँड वन डे वी विल सी मॅप अँड वन डे वी विल सी, ऍक्च्युली हे खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे बरं का. One day we will see a couple of programs we'll try to write by using this. And I think coming Saturday, I may come for an offline session. So there we will finish this collections. Okay. So be ready
Yes,
for the
sir.
big session. Be ready for the big session on coming Saturday, guys. Okay. So we'll try to finish this collection framework topic. there. Okay. परत समजलं कुणाल, मंदार, Saksham. Okay, guys. If you have any doubt, you guys can ask
Yes,
me.
sir.
Otherwise, we'll stop here for today. Pranav, Samruddhi, Humayun.
सर
Isha.
डाउट आहे सर.
Yes. Tell me your name and ask me your doubt, please.
सर